Hey guys, all of you, welcome to my channel. This is a today Python hackathon question, which is a football question. Today only one question asked in Python hackathon, which is very easy. And if you need any explanation, please comment it in comment section. I will explain clearly. And the solution I am sending this online compiler link in the comment section. Please press on this link and it will redirect to the solution. Kindly check this solution, and if you have any doubts, kindly put me message in comment section. I will do a video. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.